Let's just talk about, the formula when it comes to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. He has gone on saying that he has the support of the MLAs. He has a wider caste base and that he also has, the years of Rahul Gandhi, basically trying to say that, he's been there. It's been 7.5 years. And of course, he's also gone on to talk about how this is something, the kind of appeal that he has and, he's old hands at it. And also says that he aligns with Rahul's caste war, and that is one of the major points. So basically, not just the support of the MLAs is what Siddaramaiah is saying. He's also gone on to say he has the support of Rahul Gandhi, and that really, basically is something that he's gone on to say time and again, that he has a wider caste base. He also has, basically the support of Rahul Gandhi. That's what he's saying here, because Rahul Gandhi and Siddaramaiah align when it comes to the caste war. And he's gone on to say, only I can break the Chief Minister's tenure record. So that is what he's really aiming for here, to be the longest serving Chief Minister of Karnataka. Let's just also now on the other side have DK Shivakumar and what is his formula and what is it that he really wants. Well, what he's really bringing to the table here, and he's going on to say that he was promised the chair of the Chief Minister. That is something that was promised to him 2.5 years ago. Now he's gone on to say that he's representing a generational shift, younger hands at it, younger blood coming into the mix. And then he's also gone on to say that he is Congress's principal troubleshooter when it comes to the issues on the ground. He's also gone on to say that he has, he basically has Sonia Gandhi listening to him, and that, he's been talking to Sonia Gandhi. On the other side, of course, Siddaramaiah saying that he has Rahul Gandhi's support. But here, he's also gone on to say that, he's the future of the Congress party, and that he's very future ready as far as the Congress leader is concerned, and that is something that the High Command needs to consider. So those are the differences here as far as who brings what to the table, and basically the final call of course lies with Rahul Gandhi and that meeting that's taken place, and another meeting coming up perhaps between today and tomorrow with Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar here in the national capital.